Okay, this is how you attach the Casita to your truck. So back up your truck, you need to have a 2-inch ball. So I've got that backed up and directly underneath here. We have this little mallet in here, which you'll need to get it on and off. And yeah, so now we've got the Casita on this block. Just gonna turn it counterclockwise to lift that up and lower the weight down onto the ball. Okay. It tends to just need to be in place a little bit better to fit over the ball in the safety lock. You can see it drop down onto there. And then now we're gonna hit this piece over the ball to lock it in. There we go. Normally it doesn't fall down like that, but now it's all the way over the ball. And I'm going to push this part, and you got to hit it right here where it's kind of flat right here. Okay, it's a rubber mallet. Right now I'm on a hill, kind of at an angle. Normally this only takes a few hits on a flat ground and it'll go over the ball for you. There we go. So it went down. Now it's down over here, and there's 2 little slots right here that this is locked into place. Now, for extra safety measures, you have this safety pin that goes right through this hole right here. And it's safety, so it's a lock as well. So to lock and unlock this, on the keychain, there's 2 keys, little keys that say master on them. Those are the ones that you slide this over. Oh, you actually have to put it in there to unlock it. Slide it over, turn it the other way, now it's locked. I always like to make sure it's in the groove, right? So it's locked there in place.
All right, how about hooking up the chains and the electrical?
Hooking up the chains, I go underneath and I cross them over. So underneath into there, underneath into here. Chains are on. Here's our electrical. So on my car, it's down here. It just slides into its groove. And you are all hooked up. Remember, move your block out of the way. Move the blocks that are under the tires out of the way too, before you move the Casita.